Yo, what up guys, it's Colin here from CH Gadgets, and we finally got a pair of the Creative Outlier Gold truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds in the house. And today, we're gonna find out what all the hype is about. By the way, if this is your first time here and you love tech and gadgets just like I do, and you wanna see all the cool new tech that I get to test and play with every week, then start now by clicking the subscribe button and tapping that bell notification icon so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos when they drop. Alright, so I heard a lot of people talking about the Outlier Gold, which currently is Creative's flagship true wireless earbuds. And you know me, I had to get one for myself and check it out. The price on this one, $99.99, $100. All right, let's get it cracking. Shout out to my new unboxing knife, the Gear Red. Okay, need more knife. By the way, really like the clean aesthetic and presentation right here. So that's what's up. This presentation, the earbuds. Let's take out the case first. And the earbuds. All right, all right. There you go. Got a little clicky action right there. I think I just turned it on. Yes. The right earbud. And this is the case. I kind of like the gold or copper or whatever it is aesthetic. It's pretty cool. You got this side, Super X5. That's what it looks like inside. That's what it looks like inside. Got it pretty good in there. Okay. And now it's charging. It's not the smallest thing, but it still kind of fit in the palm of my hands. USB Type-C, charging cable, and some ear tips. All right, let's get it set up. Let's get it paired to my phone. It also gives you audio feedback, letting you know when you're paired. So it tell you when you're paired on both ears, which is pretty good. That's what it looked like. Not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Shaking my face off. All right, let's do some audio tests. Let me find some of my favorite audio tests and sounds. Alrighty. So I think I got some good testing. I think I know pretty much what these is about. All right, so first of all, we're gonna attack the most important thing about any headphones or speakers to that fact. And that is the audio quality and the sound delivery. So as far as the audio quality on Creative, almost anything for Creative, they always do a good job in delivering good audio quality. And there's no different with this Creative Outlier Gold. Got good audio quality. But if you get the app, you can increase that exponentially. It does give you much better audio performance when you have the app, because when you have the app, you can pretty much tune it to whatever you like, and that's a plus. Also, a good thing about the app is you can use it to map, your ears. It gives you like a sound profile. It takes a picture. You take a picture with your ears, and basically it maps out what it thinks would be a good sound profile for your ear type. Pretty interesting. You could basically change your your sound profile, you know, increase the bass, lower the bass, whatever it is that you like and you fancy, you can definitely adjust it to that. One specific gripe I have with these earbuds that I don't like, and I don't know why, is you can do almost everything with these little buttons right here. You can skip and replay track on the right and the left ear, and you can increase the volume and lower the volume. You know, increase it on the right, lower it on the left. Got a lot of functionality inside these little buttons right here. But the problem is these buttons are really hard, they're really stiff. I don't know why they make them so stiff. So whenever you're using it and you're trying to turn it up or switch songs, you have to really push it. You have to push it. And by the time you're doing that, you're kind of cramming it down inside your ear, and that's no bueno. But I guess I figured, you know, if you're gonna do that, what you could do is just put your finger behind it and kind of click it. That way it almost like you're suspending it from your ear and click it. That works, but also the fact that, you know, you can't just tap it and switch. I don't know if I would say it's a huge oversight. I do know that what they wanted to do was make it so that it could be functional, but also whenever you tap it, you know, you're not making any mistakes in switching your songs or turning it up or turning it down or whatever it is without, you know, you wanting to, which is probably one of the reasons why they made it this, you know, this stiff. But other than that, it's still good. The case is really good. The case is nice. It's not the sturdiest thing, but this case is really good. And it's a chunky boy right here. It's not gonna fit in the palm of your hands discreetly like most other things. You stick it in your pocket, it is gonna show how happy you are, you know, because it's gonna be bulging. But that's cool. It is waterproof. You know, if you're caught in the rain, you're good. If you went to the gym and you go through an extreme workout session and you got sweat running down your face, you know, profusely, it's good. You know, it can survive. You definitely don't want to submerge it or jump in the pool while you got them in, because then you're gonna lose your earbuds. You know, other than that. But like I said, the audio quality is good. It's even better with the app. There's no latency. So far, from what I see, when you're watching YouTube videos, other kind of, you know, video streaming services, I haven't seen any, you know, any latency in that, as far as that respect, which is pretty good. Yeah, so I mean, so far I think I covered where audio quality is good. It gives you some nice, clean, decent audio. The bass is punchy, but it's not that sub bass, but it's pretty good. For what it's worth, most people who get this is going to be really happy with the audio performance and the audio delivery. It's very satisfying to be clicking this case back and forth. Yeah, so the Creative Outlier Gold, did it live up to the Creative name? Yes. It sounds good. Sounds even better with the app, because you can do so much more with the app. You have to, when you download the app, you have to sign up and create an account, and then you set up your profile, put your ears and all that kind of stuff, so you can get all the functionalities out of it. Yes, you can use the buttons to turn up and turn down, switch tracks forward and backward. That's about it. The Super X-Fi technology, it's the truth. I actually really like it. It actually creates a nice, it improves the audio performance of the earbuds. And I like it. Creative, you're doing good stuff. I really like it. And I think if you're thinking about buying it, it is a buy. The Creative Outlier Gold, nice, pretty, fancy carrying case. Got this nice little gold accent, which is pretty good. And it got that X-Fi technology. It's pretty good. I like it. I like how it can do. I like how it performs. Creative, been doing really good stuff. Keep it up. If you want one for yourself, check the link down in the description. These are pretty good. I definitely recommend them. And make sure you come back tomorrow. We got new videos. Thanks for watching. It's your boy CH, and I'm out. Peace.